This one is an every-timer whenever I go to Shanghainese restaurant. It's kinda like mashed potatoes that you often eat but never tired of. With only 2 ingredients and 10 minutes, you can cook something that impresses everyone. Separate white and green parts of spring onion and dice. Peeled baby taro roots. Soak in water before use to prevent browning. Cut big ones into 1 bite size. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil on medium to low heat. Add spring onion whites. When the full smell starts to flow, time to pour in drained taro. Keep stir-frying these babies till they change color. Add water to half cover them. Season with half tablespoon of sugar and fair amount of salt. Lid on, low heat, simmer for 10 minutes. Stir once or twice in the middle so taro don't stick to the pan. Taro has been cooked. Sauce also thickened. Add in green parts and mix evenly. Done. Taro is just a supporting role here. All the flavor comes from spring onion oil and the seasoning. Look at these lovely chubbies. Starchy, soft, covered with salty umami sauce. Literally dissolve in your mouth, leaving a pleasant taste of fried spring onion. This one does not lose to any meat dish.